Upstairs.
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Anong gusto mo, Pipito?
Coco Crunch.
Eh, gabi na. Sleep na tayo.
Coco Crunch.
Coco Crunch. Mabihira ka naman, baby. To, alas 10 na ng gabi. Tulog na. Dumi.
Coco Crunch.
Budo sa table. Upo ka dyan. Time, ha? Coco Crunch yung kay baby do.
Mom, when it's cookies. Wait, can I have cookies with chocolate milk?
Yun.
I want some chocolate milk, okay?
Alright.
Susasa. Hey, look.
Baby do talaga na.
What's that?
Kanina ito nakamana. Hindi naman ako magutom eh.
Dessert is super delicious.
Kain na yung cookies.
But I need to have milk.
Ako laging may merienda. Mga bata, makain.
Oh, see. Milk?
Table number 1.
I want some chocolate
Ito
milk.
kay ate, yung binik ng mahal ko yung
I want
cookies.
chocolate milk.
Yes, I will get some. Ito na mga bebe. Huwag mo itatapon ate ha.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Table 2.
So this is small.
It's the same. Ayos, baby do. Ay, say something.
Super yummy.
Ayos. Tapos dis na yan. Baba.
Comment below.
Hey, heart. Heart ate. Ang bait ni daddy. Ano, hindi nagagalit.
Ayan po.
Minsan lang.
Ayan.
Enjoy.